And we're expecting another round of severe
that part
weather.
of the country is still not done with the severe weather over the next couple of days. And we'll have some marginal risk for some severe storms down in our area as well. So it is that time of year, so you do need to be weather aware. Not so much today, but we will have a few storms to talk about as we head into tomorrow. Let's get you on out here late this morning, though. The cloudy sky is still this morning. They'll have the low clouds around this morning and still a few more hanging out there, but no fog to deal with. But the clouds hopefully will thin out a little bit later as we head into the afternoon hours. That's what we are anticipating anyway, but still cloudy. Looking at downtown Dallas, it is warm. It is muggy as well, 77 degrees. And look at that dew point. It's at 68, so humidity 74%. So yeah, it's kind of soupy out there. We'll have those south and southwest winds at 18 miles per hour. They're going to be in that 10 to 20 mile per hour range throughout the afternoon, so it will be breezy at times out there for us too. But those are mid-upper 70s heading over to Richardson. You're back up to 79, 76 in Plano. Mesquite right now at 75, and we'll have some low mid-70s heading over to Arlington at 75 and Benbrook at 73. Now, as we go through the day, we'll see those temperatures climbing. Look at that, those upper 80s, close to 90 out toward Breckenridge and Eastland. We're going to be in the mid-upper 80s, Fort Worth and Dallas, it looks like for today, and those lower 80s as we head a little farther east. So we're going to be above normal all across North Texas and even warmer farther west heading later into today. Pollen count, that's going to be the other issue out there for us today. You might be feeling that. The oak and grass are high. Mulberry showing up in that moderate category for today. So that might be the irritant. And I know it has been for a lot of folks, and that will be the case throughout the day as well. So you can see those low clouds that have developed here late this morning as we look at the satellite and radar composite. Storm chances today will be confined to our far northwestern counties. Now you can see that activity that blossoms a little bit later this evening, say between 6 and 7 o'clock tonight. And those will make a run into the far western parts of North Texas, weakening some, though, as we head toward 9, 10 o'clock tonight. And I think around midnight or maybe just after, all that activity weakens. So most of us will stay dry. The exception, again, will be our far northwestern counties. And there is a very low wind. Marginal risk for some strong and severe storms, with wind and hail being the main concerns there. That's going to be tonight, heading into the very early overnight. Now, over the next couple of days, we'll see the storm chances starting to return a little bit more and increasing, especially late in the day as we head into Wednesday. So Wednesday afternoon and evening, widespread showers and storms expected across the area. That continues on into a Wednesday night, and Thursday around 8 a.m. we will have some showers and storms around. So look for a wet and maybe somewhat stormy commute on Thursday morning. Some of that rain could be locally heavy as well. So we'll catch a little bit of a break heading into Thursday evening, but then Thursday night going into Friday, there will be a few more showers and storms around. And as you see here, it won't be raining the entire time, but we will have rounds of showers and storms, and eventually a front's going to work its way in as we head into Friday evening. We'll have some north winds, slightly cooler temperatures, a couple of more rounds of showers and storms, we think, as we head into the upcoming weekend. Not so much concerned about severe weather during this time, but again, there could be some heavier rain at times for the weekend, but certainly not going to be a washout. And you see one more batch of showers pushing through and storms as we head into Sunday evening around 10 p.m. before things begin to settle down a little bit late Sunday night. Now, Wednesday evening, going into Wednesday night, we are looking at, again, that marginal low wind risk for some strong and severe storms, with wind and hail being the main concerns. That will be the case as we go through the day on Thursday as well. So again, just be weather aware, keep checking back as we make those updates to the forecast. And we could see some widespread, locally 2 to 3 inches across the area, some locally higher amounts perhaps between Wednesday and Sunday. So flooding with the rain that we've seen recently, that will aggravate that, so that could be become a concern for some as well. And you see the coverage with the showers and storms. We'll bump that up to about 80% on Thursday, Wednesday night going into Thursday, so it will be widespread, but then kind of scattered about as we go through Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So here's that extended forecast for you. It does stay warm. We'll keep it in the lower 80s, maybe dipping into the upper 70s with the rain and storms moving in for the end of the week. But notice as we head into the first part of next week, we start to heat back up, getting back close to 90 degrees with a few more storm chances late next week. All right, Cleo, back to you.